Good people, we are gonna answer this question that was taken from the Mind Action, a new version of it. So now, question 1 is saying calculate the sum or calculate the value of the 25th term of this sequence. This sequence is arithmetic, which is saying 6, 10, and 14. So now to calculate the arithmetic, to calculate the 51st term, so we're just gonna say T25 is equals to, there's no need of finding the nth term, but if you want to find the nth term, it's fine. So I'm just gonna say a plus, since we're 25, so it's gonna be 24 d equals to, a is what? It's 6, and then 24 into the difference between the two here is 4. Then to get the answer here, just punch your calculator. It's 6 plus 24 into 4, which is give us 102. So the 25th term of this sequence is 102. Now number 2, it's saying calculate the sum of the 25th term of this sequence. Now so calculating the sum of the 25, remember this is arithmetic. Let's start by writing our equation. 2 into a plus d into n minus 1, and then 25 term, we're calculating the sum of the 25, so it's 25 over 2 into 2 into a, it's 6, and then d it's 4, then it's 25 minus 1. And then from here, you just punch your calculator. It's 25 over 2 into 6 plus 4, and then 25 minus 1. So the sum is 1350. So this is the sum of the 25th term. Number 3, how much terms of the sequence will add up to? Very important there. It's saying how many terms that will add up to. Something that is very important here, they say will add up to, meaning it's a sum, they add up. So we will start by writing our sum equation. They're saying we would add up to 1248, meaning how many terms, meaning we're looking for n. So into our a, it's 6, then plus our different, which is 4. Remember we're looking for n. So now from here we will times by 2 both sides to get rid of these 2 here. So these 2 cancels these 2, and then we're gonna have 2 times 1248, which give us 2496 equals to n into 2 times 6, which give us 12, and then 4 times n give us 4n. 4 times negative 1 give us negative 4. We have these 2496 equals to n into, and then we're gonna have 4n here, then we're gonna have 12 minus 4, which give us positive 8, and then from here gonna have these 2496, then we times this and this, which just give us 4, n squared. This and this give us positive 8n. And then take this to the other side. It's going to be 0, and then it's going to be 4n squared plus 8n minus 2 4. This is 496, and then from here we can divide by 4. You can divide by 4, which will give us n squared. This is going to give us positive n. This is going to give us negative 6 to 4. I divided by 4, and then from here we can factorize, or you can do your quadratic. I'm just going to do quadratic, plus or minus squared minus 4ac all over 2a, then n into negative into 2, then plus or minus b, which is 2 squared minus 4. Our a is 1, our c is negative 6 to 4, and then all over 2a, which is 1. So my first n here is equals to negative into 2 plus into 2 squared minus 4, 1 into negative 6 to 4 all over 2 into 1. Then my first n is 24. Then my second n is negative 26. Then remember, the number of terms cannot be negative, so the number of terms that add up to 1, so the number of terms that add up to 1, 2, 4, 8, it's what? Its n is equals to 24. So there are 24 terms that add up to 1248. So now number 4, it's saying calculate the least number of terms that must be added. The least number of terms that must be added if the answer must be more than 2000. So this will start, remember, we must be added, meaning it's still doing what? We are still on the sum. So our sum must be added, so the least number, this must be 2000. So our sum is going to be 2000, and then this is going to be looking for n, because which number of 10 that must be least is still looking for the number of terms. So here is still 2 into 6, and then plus 4 into n minus 1. From here we can times by 2 both sides to get rid of these 2, and then we can say 2 times 2000 give us 4000. Having this n, this is 12, and then this is gonna give us negative 4n, and then negative 4, and then this is 4000 into n. Remember, this is giving us sorry, this is positive 4, so it's gonna be 4n, and then 12 minus 4 is gonna give us positive 8, and then take this 4000 to the other side, timesing this is gonna give us 4n squared plus 8n negative 4000. And then from here we can do our quadratic. We can't divide by 4 since 4 doesn't go to 4000, so it's going to be negative 4 plus negative b4 plus or minus 4ac all over 2a, and then n is equals to negative into 8 plus or minus 8 squared minus 4 our A, it's 4 our C, it's negative 4,000 all over 2 into A, which is 4. And then you can punch your calculator and see what you are going to get is negative into 8, then plus into 8 squared minus 4 into negative 4,000 2 into A, which is going to get us our first n, it's 30 comma 64, then our second n, it's negative 32 comma 64. Remember, n can't be negative, so the least number of terms that can be here, we can round off this into the whole number and get 31 terms. This is the least of number of terms that we can get. I hope everyone understood everything here. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel guys, please support the channel. Thank you.